1-minute treatment lang siya, pero talaga nakakapagpabuhay siya ng buhok.
Magiging straight, silky.
Kailangan meron pa rin tayong aftercare na treatment. So, I would recommend you to use this one, which is the Hairfix Intense Straight Smoothening Treatment. 1-minute treatment lang siya, pero talaga nakakapagpabuhay siya ng buhok, nakakasoft talaga siya ng hair kahit na bagong color ka pa lang.
Deep Repair Strengthening Treatment. It gives a damage-free and revitalized hair. This treatment has 3 benefits that will prevent your hair from breakage, intense repair, and gives you a healthy hair. Intense Straight Smoothening Treatment. So it gives a smooth and silky straight hair. The benefit of this treatment is to give you an intense moisture, manageable hair, and silky straight hair. Makikita mo yung effect sa hair mo kung gaano kaganda yung hair mo, magiging straight, silky, and makikita mo talagang mukhang healthy yung hair mo.